Is that like why you think like Bradley Ray's like having a little bit of a turbulent type of season?
Yeah,
Like getting used to it.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, and also you've got to remember Bradley missed quite a lot of the season because his team's not doing the flyaways, so he's not getting all the time on the back there. If he'd have gone to say Pata Yamaha, he'd have a lot more people behind him, and again, all the data. He might be able to look at the data after Top Rack's done his session, but they're not there setting it all up and doing it all. So yeah, he just needs a lot more time, and if that team take him around the world next year, Bradley will come on. Bradley's he's a very, very good rider.
Yes, he is.
Yeah.
Well,
he's a champion.
Well, I mean, Pata Yamaha has an extra seat next year.
No, because Johnny Ray signed, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, Johnny Ray. Yeah. Oh my God, I forgot about that one.
How'd you? Yeah, Johnny
WTF,
Ray.
LOL. Because I'm so used to seeing him in Cowie Green. Again.
Yeah, it'll be odd, won't it? Watch. I mean, Johnny Ray.
Weird.
I raced with Johnny Ray in 2006. He was on the Red Bull. Was he on the Red Bull Honda?
I think so. Yeah.
Yep. And I remember at Silverstone, I was having a torrid time, and it was the old international circuit, so not the full GP, but not the short one that we do now, which is in between. And I just couldn't find a setup. I was really struggling on the bike, and I came in during qualifying for a tyre. And back then, qualifying was 45 minutes long, and my team manager went, "You are not getting a qualifying tyre. You are fucking 2 seconds a lap slower than where you need to be. Never mind."
God, Jesus.
He said, "Go back out, give me a time." He said, "Then you can have a qualifier." And so I went and did my outlap. And you know where on the old pit straight at Silverstone, you go round turn one, and then you come out of pit lane onto the thing going into Maggots and Beckett's. And Johnny Ray was coming out of pit lane, so he was on his outlap. And I just got right on the tail of him, and he looked at me and saw it was me, and he turned me around on his outlap, and I went 2 seconds a lap quicker and come in and got me qualifying tyre. So then you understand how much talent these kids have got when he's on his outlap and he can bring me on by 2 seconds. You know, it was always going places. I had a really good relationship with the Honda guys back then because of Carl Harris. You know, my best friend. Yeah, so no, but it is going to be odd. It is going to be odd because he was a Honda man forever, wasn't he, Johnny?
He was.
Oh yeah, that's also true.